the show can begin. I need all of you to do something so, alright? First of all, always remember to please have your masks on at all times. Please do refrain from eating or drinking throughout the show. Okay, now secondly, as this is a bird show, in certain segments we will be having birds flying low above your heads. So for your safety and for the safety of our birds, please always do remain seated and have your hands down at all times. Can you all do that for me? Is that okay? Alright, very good. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, why don't you just sit back and relax because it's showtime. Thank you. Boys and girls, welcome to the High Flyer Show. Thank you. Now my name is Jurong, and this morning we are going to take all of you on a flight and journey through the wonderful and colorful world of birds. So we hope that you will leave the show feeling amazed by our bird conservation champions and be inspired to help us take actions for all of our feathered friends across the world. Now speaking of feathered friends, look right behind me, we have a chicken. Right, now to be more exact, that is a bantam rooster. Now quick show of hands. How many of you believe that chickens cannot fly? Raise your hands. Ah, okay, got a number of you. Alright, who here then believes that chickens can fly? Raise your hands. I see. Alright, now in a very short while, we are going to find out. So if you're ready, keep your eyes at that hut. Let's welcome Chucky, our bantam rooster. Well, Chucky, there he is. Hello there, Chucky. Would you like to join me on stage? Listen. Taking some time, contemplating. Yes, Chucky, I'm on stage waiting for you. Are you ready? Now, by the way, bantam chickens are a smaller species of chickens that can be found around the world. Let's give Chucky some time. Maybe he's calculating the distance, the angle. Chucky, are you ready? I'm waiting for you. Just standing there, loving the attention. What a diva, this bird. Would you like to join me on stage? Yes? Alright. A little bit more, come on. You know what I think he needs? He needs a louder round of applause. see you later, right? And by the way, these are not chickens, these are miners. Right here to steal Chucky's food. Alright, now speaking of flying, one of the world's most beautiful and colorful high flyers are parrots. Now in the wild, macaws fly together in large flocks in search for food and will congregate on trees just like these to feast on fruits and nuts. But before this, everyone, please quickly take a seat and keep your hands down at all times. Right, without further ado, look right up there and let's welcome the birds. First up, here comes Gaia, our high-speed macaw. Look right up there again, let's welcome Adrian, our scarlet macaw. Beautiful fly. Now parrots like these, they can be found in the jungles of South America. So going back to Gaia, the one in blue, Gaia is a high-speed macaw, one of the largest in the parrot family. And it's also one of the 4 rare blue macaw species that can be found around the world. So if you'd like to check out more parrot species, please do head on down to the Parrot Paradise. Well, let me tell you what happens after eating. After eating, parrots will fly to rocky surfaces just like these. And what they do is to lick up on chalk or clay. And this helps them with the digestion of any unripe fruits or nuts that they have eaten. It looks like both birds must be right up there, but not to worry, this will definitely be their next stop.
Hey Joe!
Hello Sabrina, who's there with you?
Hi, now everyone, let's meet Evie, our scarlet macaw. So Evie here is Jurong Bird Park's go-green for wildlife ambassador. Now did you know, Joe? Whenever Evie sees lizards lying around, you tend to pick them up and put them into the respective bins.
Oh, Evie knows how to bin lizards. Okay, let's test him out then. I'm going to be using 2 types of recyclable materials. I have paper, metal, and plastic.
Okay, so to prove this to all of you, we need recycling bins, right? So I've got 3 kinds of recycling bins right here. So one is for paper, the center one is for metal, the last one right here will be for plastic items.
Alright, EP, why don't you show it to us how do you recycle?
Okay, you ready? Take it away.
Paper cutter, EP steps on the pedal, and he puts it in! Wow, good job!
Okay, so 2 more trash.
Metal can and straight into the metal bin! Wow!
Great job! Okay, last one.
But it should be a piece of cake. Plastic bottle, plastic bin, and EP puts it in! Just a little bit more, a little higher. I think the bin's too high, Sabrina. You cannot reach.
Oh no, so let's see. Oh, Joe, look. Now Evie's got his own cute little stool. Let's see if we can use this stool.
Oh, okay. Evie, you know how to use a screw? Let's see. Wow, places it nicely right in front. Okay, I'm pretty sure you can recycle the plastic bottle now, right? So you can take it away.
Look at that. He steps onto the stool and he recycles. Well done, Evie. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, plastic waste has invaded our lives to the extent it has killed over 1 billion birds and animals every single year. In fact, plastic waste found in animal habitats can harm wildlife when they consume them or even get entangled in them. Now for these reasons, they are known as the deadliest monsters.
Now that's right, plastic waste indeed are the deadliest monsters, but you know what? We can all do our part, right? Evie here, he has set a very good example for all of us. I'm pretty sure if a bird can learn how to recycle, we all can do so as well, right? So please let us all learn to be our leaders, right? To help save wildlife and fight the deadliest monsters together. And with that, let's give it up for Evie and Sabrina. But before the next segment continues, I really need all of you to take a seat and keep your hands down at all times. And of course, remember, please do have your mask on at all times as well. Right now, the next 2 birds coming out, they are often mistaken as hornbills because of the size of their beaks. But in fact, they are not. So what exactly are they? Let's find out. Keep your eyes right back there. Let's welcome our beautiful Toko toucans. Look at They have been known to remain agile in flight and can even catch insects in mid-flight, and we are going to demonstrate just that. Right, so this is Mrs. Axel. Let's have her be up here, and not to worry, let's have her catch a piece of bread. Alright? Display how maneuverable she can be. So everyone watch. Turn around this way. On the count of 3, 1, 2, and 3. And excuse me. Let's try this one more time. Okay, break is here, you got it? Ready, and 1, 2, and excuse me, you have to fly to catch the break, you know that? You know what, let's have Mr. Axel show her how to do it instead. Alright, so Mr. Axel, once you're ready, you can join me on some right here, and we shall show Mrs. Axel how to do it instead, alright? Let's give them some time. Mr. Axel, you can join me again. This way. Okay, you stay here. You can have your husband join us on the sound first, right? Come on. Okay, now Mr. Axel shall catch great first. Fingers crossed. Let's see if he can show Mrs. Axel how to do it. Alright. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, and off he goes. Perfect catch! You go, Mr. Axel! Yes, very clean movement. Okay, you saw how it's done. It's your turn to do it, alright? Ready? 1, 2, and 3. And off she goes. Very good attempt. Let's give it up all to weekends. You might not get it again. Now, you know what? We have been very fortunate to be able to see these beautiful birds right up close because their population numbers in the wild are actually declining due to poaching and deforestation. So if you can, please do help to support your local conservation efforts. Every time we come down here to the park, we're actually contributing to our wildlife conservation fund. So all of you are helping to protect precious animals all around the world. And by the way, that was Mr. Axel and this is Mrs. Axel, a lovely husband and wife team. I think they've done a wonderful job. It's time for them to take that home. Alright, home is all the way back to where you came from. Your husband's waiting for you. Up you go. And our circles weekends, everyone. Fascinating things about parrots is actually their ability to copy sounds. And what they do is called mimicry, and they do this in the wild as a form of social communication. So what we have right here this morning, this is a yellow-necked Amazon parrot, and they are famous for their ability to copy sounds. So everyone get your video cameras ready. This is going to be interesting. Let's start off with something simple. Can you say hello? Ah, you're that nice and see hello. Okay, he has a name, so he is going to introduce himself. Alright, would you like to tell everyone here what's your name?
Amigo!
Oh, Amigo is his name. Now, Amigo, I see that there's a lot of people out here today. So how would you like to greet all these nice people?
How are you?
You heard that? Amigo's asking how are you, so if you're happy to be here, have a loud round of applause. Very nice. Amigo, everyone's happy to see you here today. Did you know he is a very intelligent bird? He can actually count from 1 to 10. First in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, a perfect 10! Well done, Amigo. He's going to impress you further this time. He's going to count in another language. Let's hear Amigo count in Chinese.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Wow, and now it's very in Chinese. I can hear someone counting along. Well done. Okay, now he actually likes to sing. So Amigo has learned to sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. So the first song is a local children's song which is Current Life, which actually means a guest comes to visit. Amigo, ready? Let's sing in Mandarin. song is from Indonesia. It's called Rasa Saya, which means feelings of love. Are you ready? Let's sing Rasa Saya. Now, the last song is in English, but before he sings, by any chance is anyone here celebrating your birthday today? Any birthdays? Raise your hands, people on this side. Anyone having a birthday? Alright, how about people from in the middle? Any birthdays today? Are you having a birthday, young man? Yes, birthday today? Alright, happy birthday to you, young man. Alright, people from this side. One over here. Alright, happy birthday to the two of you. Amigo has a very special song. Amigo, you know what to do.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to the two of you, and thank you so much for celebrating your birthday right here at the Jurong Bird Park. Now, I think Amigo has done a wonderful job. It's time for him to hit that home, but before that, yeah, everyone wave goodbye to Amigo. It's your turn.
Bye-bye.
He's waving.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Let's give it up for Amigo. Gathering them on I'm pretty sure after watching Amigo perform, some of you might be tempted to get yourself a pet parrot. But let me tell you, keeping a bird like these takes lots of time and dedication. Now, some parrot species have been known to live as long as you and I. So please do think twice or even thrice before getting yourself a pet parrot. But before the next bird joins us on stage, I really need all of the help to please have the mask on at all times, remain seated, and no sudden movements. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to meet one of the most majestic animals of the bird world. Are you ready? Keep your eyes right there. Let's welcome Vicky, our great pine hornbill. Good morning, Vicky. Now, hornbills in general, they can be found in two different continents of the world, Africa and Asia. Now, great pine hornbills like Vicky here, they can be found in Asia. So when the female hornbill wants to nest, what she would do is look for holes or cavities in trees to build a nest in. Now go and look right at the nest box over there. The nest box is similar to what we give the birds right here at the Jurong Bird Park. And using nest boxes just like these, they have been successfully breeding hornbill species. Let's have Vicky take flight to Mithra right up there. Right, Vicky, off she goes. Now everyone else around her, please remain seated at all times. And you can take a closer look of how magnificent Vicky right up there. And in a very short while, she will be checking her nest box out. So Vicky, whenever you're ready. And off she goes. Alright Vicky, your nest box is to the right. So hop along. Hop, hop, you little hop. Okay, what she's doing is that she's actually inspecting the interior of the nest box, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. And here she goes. So when the female is inside, she will then seal the nest up using materials like soil, regurgitated food, and even her own droppings, leaving the hole big enough only for her beak to stick out. Alright, Vicky, if you like the nest box, you can seal it up now. That was fast. Wait, hold on, Vicky. Are you there? Are you still inside? There she is. Listen, everyone, right up there, and let's welcome Sadi, Jurong Bird Park's animal icon. Another great type hornbill. So when the female is inside, the male has the responsibility to look for food to feed the mother and the chicks. And this usually goes on for about 3 to 4 months until they are ready to leave the nest. Did you know, right here in Singapore, we have our very own local species of hornbills. They are the oriental pied hornbills. And some of you might have seen them around. So right here in the Jurong Bird Park, we have been very successful in breeding these particular species. And I've released them back into Singapore and even right here in the bird park itself. Now I really need all of you to please remain seated, and here comes Sunny. Beautiful flight. Now hornbills, they have one of the most interesting features. They have long, beautiful eyelashes. So do check them out at the Hornbill and Sweden exhibit. Now Sunny here has done a wonderful job. It's time for him to take back home. Once you're ready, home is all the way back to Sharon. Let's give it up for Hornbills, everyone. Let me remind you, have your mask on at all times and remain seated. Thank you. Very nice music. Now comes the time to simply enjoy the first flight. Now we are going to be volunteers, so if you're interested, please raise your hands and get the attention of our trainers. Now on this side we have Yong Yi, in the middle we have Sheena, and right on the end we have Mitra. So catch the attention and please listen to the instructions at all times. And look at the birds' strong wings as they fly past you. This allows them to fly through long distances in the rainforest in search for. Right here, this is Vega, our scout macaw. With Lina, that will be Kaya, our blue and yellow macaw. It looks like our volunteers have been chosen, and final instructions. Everyone else around, please sit down. Do not obstruct the birds' flight path. Alright? It looks like all of our volunteers are ready, and Kaya will take off first. And off goes Vega. Let's give it up for Kaya and Vega. Well done. Now with strong eyesight, powerful wing flaps, and long tail feathers, this allows them to be maneuverable in flight. So this time round, the birds are going to take off from two different ends of the stick and hopefully meet each other in the center hook right over there. So center volunteer, you have to keep your hooks straight and steady. Now Kaya is ready, go! Vega is still on my hand because he has one final flight to do. And Sheena, bring it up. There's something for Vega. Okay, let's see. Everyone watch. Please do not break the hook. Oh, what is that, Sheena? Okay, one more time. Wow, that is very small. Are you sure Vega can fly through that? Oh, very confident. You know what? Because they have streamlined bodies, allowing them to shoot through the dense vegetation of the rainforest in order to escape from potential dangers and predators. So with that said, it's not going to be easy. So everyone, Vega needs to focus. Everyone please keep your hooks straight and steady. Vega, and lift. And Vega here has done it! Good job, Vega. How about a round of applause? Thank you. And home is all the way back to Tina. Now when it comes to nesting season, parrots often have to gather fruit for their young. So this morning we are going to have a little competition to see which parrot is faster at gathering fruit. Alright, so for these, they are going to need supporters. And I'm going to split all of you into two different sections. Okay, so people from the middle all the way here will be supporting Corky, our scout macaw. All of you are Team Corky. Right now, for the rest of you, who is this? It's Peanut, our blue and yellow macaw. So the rest of you, you are Team Peanut. Alright, everyone knows your team's supporters. All you have to do is clap your hands and stomp your feet. Come on, let's make some noise. Very nice. Back to the table. Right, so for this match, what they have to do is to bring home 4 fruits each. And they're going to bring it home into this hollow tree trunk right over here. Okay, perfect. Stage is set, birds are ready, let's go! Wow, very fast, Corky is the winner! Well done, Team Corky, that was very quick. Yes, Peanut, does Peanut have something to say? Well, Mom, excuses, that was the actual match. Did you hear that? One more? Okay. Corky, Peanut wants one more game. Is that okay? No, Corky says no. Very mean. You know what? Let's ask all of you here. Those of you who would like to have one more game, put up your hands. Oh, so many of you. Okay, let's give Peanut here a second chance. Now, Peanut supporters, the louder you clap, the faster the birds are going to run. Okay? So same thing, 4 fruits each. Is there really a second chance? Yamina, no cheating, please, thank you. Nice and fair match. Alright, supporters, remember to make some noise. Birds are ready. Let's go. Was that also a warm-up? I'm pretty sure the birds here have done an amazing job. Let's give it up for birds and trainers. Our good collecting the call. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in a very short while we will be having our grand finale. So please do not go anywhere just yet. Now, I am sure the birds here, they have all amazed you. And some of them might have even made you laugh as well. But please, let us not forget the bird conservation champions that we have met today. And remember, we can all help these beautiful birds by simply remembering the 4 R's. To reuse, reuse and recycle, just like EP. And last but not least, also help to replant our destroyed rainforests. Remember, you and I, we have the power to choose what we buy. So please let us all make the right choice and make a difference for all of our feathered friends across the world. And looks like we are all set to go! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for our grand finale, we're going to have lots of birds on stage, so let's get started. Let's start from Africa, our great white pelicans. Now to the left on under our Australian pelicans. All the way to Eastern Europe, let's give it up for our Dalmatian pelicans. That's from Africa, birds in your sex warriors. Our Prince of Flamingos. Now that's not all. That's not all. Let's pay the size of our beautiful parrots coming from out there and there. I certainly hope you all enjoyed it as much as I did. Right now, before you leave, remember to take a look around and take all of the belongings with you. Remember, exits only at the top and at the side display. If you're really hungry, with the lunch crowd we are having in Western at our restaurant, Alright, at Songbird Terrace. Now after the show, we will be having a photography with another group of the males. So if you are interested, please do stay on a little longer for that. Alright, last but not least, on behalf of all of us right here at Coast and Theater, continue to have a wonderful day and I'll see you guys around. Thank you!